Hold on. For those who don't know me, well, I'm Benjamin the Victor. Yeah, Mr. Big up yourself, Nine Life. I wouldn't back a gun on you, nor a knife. Big up yourself, Reggae Bop. Yeah. Big up yourself, Victor. Yo, me there. Yeah, and all like artists there. I'm going to continue from where Mama left off. And there is only one ruler, and his name is Jehovah. Too long have he held his anger, for a moment he will. What a catastrophic disaster caused by Hurricane Melissa, the worst ever to hit Jamaica. Category 5 development of the Caribbean water. What a catastrophic disaster caused by Hurricane Melissa, the worst ever to hit Jamaica. Cat 5 development of the Caribbean water. Grandma never see them thing here from she born. Over the years she been through hurricane and storm. Houses sink, yes, roof wash we gone. And now people can find them no man. Huh? One go.
Everybody